Identifying a problem is only the first step. The true value of AI lies in its ability to take immediate action. This demonstration follows the transition from diagnostic findings to service resolution, showing how our agent leverages DriveAI actions and ERP connectivity to handle warranty validation and appointment scheduling in a single workflow. Now that we have uncovered critical insights, we can take direct action within the same agent experience. At the end of the previous analysis, the agent proactively offers the next best step by asking if we would like to retrieve the specific details for the device associated with the critical error. By simply confirming the request, we allow the agent to move forward. The agent now utilizes the new ERP MCP server, acting as a child agent to gather and return detailed device information in seconds. This allows us to identify the exact machine experiencing issues without manual searching. Because the device has a critical error, the agent automatically suggests checking its current warranty status. We are now using DriveAI actions to verify the device warranty. The agent confirms an active warranty within A365 and then offers to retrieve the device registration details, including the owner's name and contact information. Given the severity of the oil degradation, the agent also recommends scheduling an immediate service appointment to address the issue. It prompts the user for a final confirmation to create this appointment directly in A365. In just a few clicks, we have moved from raw data to a fully populated service appointment. We have achieved this entire workflow within a single agentic experience, using only natural language and without needing to log into separate business applications or manually pull data from multiple systems. Microsoft Fabric serves as the landing zone for all data connected to A365. By combining our Fabric data agent, MCP servers, and DriveAI actions, we can uncover deep insights and take decisive action within minutes, significantly reducing administrative effort and ensuring equipment uptime. This seamless integration of diagnostics, warranty validation, and service initiation represents the future of fleet maintenance. By automating these final stages of the workflow, we ensure that critical issues are resolved faster, administrative friction is eliminated, and service teams can focus on high-value maintenance tasks.